猫猫学长保佑我期末期中都不挂科。啊，我真服了。
I woke up in despair, I look ahead, beware. To find three little ghosts in front of me, I'm scared. I look around to see if anyone else can see, but no one hears my pleas or cares to hear me scream. I doubt that people care, alone and so aware. And now I'm by myself and left with all this pain to bear, with shivers going down my spine and ghosts long gone dead. But then this is what they said.
所以你怎么做现在呢？
考不考？那个
考不考？考不考？保佑我不挂科哈。
这理想往上找8年，有什么想不开的吗？
你是个大学的猫猫，你天天除了吃就是睡，你成何体统啊？你课也不上。
哪个系的了？你系主任叫啥了
？You're nothing but a waste, you should know your place. Just like those demons in my head, it fills up my brain. All that I'm doing here is begging as I'm trying my best, but it becomes a mess. The fire in my head, it's overwhelming me, but then I cannot flee. I'm stuck here all by myself, alone again it seems, with all this pain inside my head and ghosts long gone dead. But then this is what they said.
学长，啊，死了吗？
学长，你看这个是不错。学长，这个。学长，你没事了？起来画出来。
起床了，起床了，起床了啊！
上早班了，哥们儿。